In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a 1-minute trading strategy using binary options and pocket option that you can make unlimited amounts of money and start making your life way easier because you're working from home, simply putting call or put options up or down, pressing one simple button, and you can make unlimited amounts of money, guys. And I want to tell you that trading is not hard, guys. It is actually pretty easy once you understand it. And one thing, and the realest thing that I could say about trading, and my big advice to all you beginner traders out there, is that even though you can simply hop on your laptop or even pull up your phone and press one simple button to make money, you still have to treat this like it is a job, guys. So you do the training for a job. You can't just go on to the job, a new job that you get, and exactly start hopping into the field. Or say you are working at a car rental company and you're just driving cars back and forth. You may think it's simple because you already know how to drive, but you still have to get trained on the route and how things work at that company. Same thing with trading. You can't just hop in and expect to be successful and expect to make thousands of dollars per day and even hundreds of dollars per day if you haven't given yourself that training. And the thing that I can say about how to get the training is YouTube University, man. Watch a bunch of YouTube videos. Each YouTube video you watch is gonna be something new, man. It's gonna learn a new experience because somebody has a different experience or different methods that they've learned that they're gonna relate to you. In today's video, I'm gonna be relaying to you some of my methods and experience that I've learned. But guys, the training that you get from trading, guys, is going to be losing, because you have to lose to figure out what you did wrong and how you lost. If you don't lose, you're not learning. So in trading, guys, you have to lose to be successful. So don't let this discourage you once you start losing when you're trying to make money. Just don't trade any money that you cannot afford to lose. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into this 1-minute strategy using pocket option. I'm going to show you guys some technical analysis. I'm going to show you guys some strategies, and I'm going to show you how the pro traders trade. So let's get it. Woo! Alright, so as you can see, we're on the pocket option broker, and as you can see, guys, this is how the portal looks. So they do pay out 92% all the way to 20%, guys. So they do pay 92%. Now on these 92% payers, it is more risky, because why would they give you a higher payout if the chart is going to be easy to see? They're not doing that. They're trying to make money too. The broker's trying to make money. So if you go to some of these lower risk and these lower paying charts, then you could probably start winning more. But sometimes, guys, in a lot of cases, if you know what you're doing, you can win on these 92% charts. So if you do try to trade on 92% charts, just know that every time you trade, no matter what your indicators are saying down here, no matter what your indicators are saying, no matter what the previous back tracing was, it can still have you miss the trade because it's doing the unexpected. So sometimes you have to expect the unexpected with these 92% charts. So that's what I have to say about that. So we are on 10-second candles, guys, and on these 10-second candles, you can now figure out what the trend is doing in the short term. So if you're trading on the 1 minute, guys, and we are trading on a 1 minute expiration time, and you would simply just go right here, make sure that it's not on this flag. Don't want to have this trading to close on 04, 21 and 12 seconds. No sirski, we want it for the exact seconds, and in this case we're going to do 1 minute 60 seconds. So 1 minute expiration time, and right now we're on 1 minute candles. So on the 1 minute candles, you can see we have a clear downtrend, and if you go to the 5 minute candles, you can see that we're still on a downtrend, kind of trying to retrace up. But look how this stochastic down here is just staying down. Now on the 5 stochastic, we do have the 5 stochastic and the 23 and 3 stochastic, and as you can see, the 5 is more real time. So the 5, it's gonna go up as the candles are going up, and then the 20 is just gonna show you if it's going to stay that way or not, or if it's going to keep going and this flat line still trying to go down. So just looking at this chart right here on this 5 minute candles, we can see we're on an obvious downtrend with a candle trying to be in a green position. So as you can see in the previous history, we do have green candles, but they are not, that big. And as you can see right here, we're already at a pretty good oversold point for what we've already done in this recent retraction. So as you can see on this 1 minute time frame, we are going up on this stochastic. So we are going up, and so just by going up right here on the stochastic, even though we're going down on the chart, we're gonna go ahead and go to the 10-second candles to get a more accurate trading analysis of what it's doing in real time. As you can see, we're trying to fight our way up. We tried to go down. Now we have a big green candle trying to form, and this stochastic is at the 5, 3 and 3. It's heading to this baseline, this 20 average line down here. So if we touch this, guys, and we start to curve up, and this 20 stochastic is not yet curving up, it's not yet down here, we're going to keep going down, guys. So right here, we're just gonna go with the trend. We're gonna go with the trend just because we're probably gonna curve up right here, but then what it could do is right about right here where my mouse is at, it's gonna curve back down because it's going with the trend. The red has all the momentum right now, and as you can see on the 20 stochastic, we're just gonna keep slowly going down. So like I said, the 20 stochastic is what you could use to find out whether or not the 5 stochastic is a real pullback or not. So as you can see, the 5 is moving crazy. It's trying to see if it wants to go up, but that 20 is still staying smooth on the down. So that is where, as you can see right here, boom, big green candle. Now we're trying to spike up on the 20 as well, and that just took us out of this trade, because even though we're on a downtrend, we are going up because of the, actually, hold on, we might, nope, not gonna do it. I thought we were gonna go ahead and make that run to go down and trade in our favor, but no sirski. So we're actually gonna find a more clear chart, guys, and just because we lost that one trade, the first trade of the day, sometimes it might not go so smoothly, but you just gotta keep your head up and keep trading and just learn from your mistakes. So on that case, guys, we did not trade. We traded more so with the 10-second candles instead of the 1 minute candles, and as you can see, we spiked up as we were actually spiking up in the chart. So if you can go right here, guys, you will see that right here we are going down, but right here we spiked up in the middle of the trade. So that is how you can back trace your losses and your wins to see why you lost or why you won. And now we're gonna go to an actual pair. This is 89%. This is the Euro USD. And as you can see, we're pretty choppy in here, and we're going down on the stochastic. This is the 10-second candles. And we're going down on the stochastic, but if we go to the 1 minute, we are going down again, and this 20 is at this baseline, and it looks like it might stay smooth because this 5 stochastic is not yet trying to peak up. Now we do have a lot of red candles right here, so we might be looking at some retracement right here. We might get a couple of green candles, just like I said right there, a little bit of green, and then we'll start to come down. So what you would do right here is you would just watch this, but right here I am kind of confident that we're gonna start heading up. So let me just place an up trade. I might have gotten to that trade just a little bit too late. Let's see, I might have gotten into it a little bit too late. I should have waited until it came down right there. And let's just get into some more up positions right here. And the reason that I'm trading up in this case, even though we're on a downtrend, is because the spread is not yet complete. So if we go to this 1 minute candle, guys, you can see that this W right here needs to form. Boom, boom. It needs to form because we're always working with W's and M's. So in this case, we have a W right here, boom. And then right here, it's not just gonna keep going here. We need another retraction. We need to form another W, and then we're gonna go down, guys. So let's just hope that this W keeps its place. And I like to, use 5-second candles or 10-second candles to figure out whether or not it's gonna go in my favor, because you can obviously see that we are so far from the trade. So the first trade we placed, 1, and then these next 4 or 3 are gonna be placed in 1 second here, and boom, we just won 4 of those trades because you could see that the spread needs to continue on this chart. So we have some retraction right here. Boom, going back with the trend. Now we need some more retraction. Now we might start going with the trend right here for the next 1 minute, because it needs to correct this candle. So when you do see a big green candle or a big red candle, the opposite color is going to need to correct it. Now some cases guys, the candle can just start a new trend, so that candle right there can start a new uptrend. But just look at how far we've gone down without that big candle push. Now we can still get that candle push, because we're not necessarily curving yet on this stochastic. But just look at this candle right here. Boom, big green, then we got a lot of red following it. Big green, got a lot of red following it, because we're on a downtrend. It doesn't want to stay with that. And as you can see, we have 15 seconds left. We're going to go to the 5 second, and you can see that we might just have some easy money here in 9 seconds from here, because like I said, big green, a little bit of support and resistance on the 5 second, but we have to eventually go down. And back to the 1 minute, guys, you can see that we are going back down. And even from here, you could probably place some more down trades, but I don't want to, because now we might try to fight it again and go with some green candles. So we're going to go ahead and go to the next pair, and that is pretty much how you trade, guys. You're just going to find key entries. You're going to get in at pullback, so you're not going to get in at the highest point. You're not going to get in right here. You're not going to get in right here for it to go up. No sirski. You're going to wait until this red candle or these red candles get to the lowest point, and then you're going to trade. Or you're not going to get in right here, but you're going to get in right here, and then you trade up. Or if you're trying to trade down, you're not going to get in right here and trade down. You want to wait until it gets to the peak, and then you trade down. And the way you can find out if we're going down or not, or a reversal is what it's called, is this doji candle right here. So you might not be able to see it as clear because it's kind of pink right here, but it's a very, very small body. So this is the body of the candle, and it's very, very small like that. So this candle right here, very, very small body, and then we have a wick right there and a little small wick. So that means that we're going down, guys, or just change in a reversal. So right here, we might start heading back up, because our RSI is trying to go up. I keep saying RSI, it's a stochastic, I'm so sorry. Our stochastic is trying to go up, and this is the 1 minute candle. So let's take it to the 10 seconds to get sniper entry. So on this 10 second, you can see this is the support line right here. This is the line that it wants to reach. We are on a downtrend, you have to remember that. So we could just get ourselves to get to that line right there, and then come right back on down. So I think that we are going to go ahead and touch this line that it's at right now and start headed down. So once this starts to curve down, which hopefully it does, and it doesn't keep going up, then our prediction is going to be right. But we have 2 trades placed for the down position right now, because I see this stochastic trying to head down, and this is the support and resistance line right here, guys. So you can place some tools. You can get this horizontal tool right here and just place it, boom, right here. Now if you want a clearer view than that, you go back to the 1 minute chart and get it wherever you see some touches at. So again, over here we have touches on this side, so this is where it kind of support and resisted at as well, but we started to head up. And if we go over a little bit more, some more support and resistance right here, and we started to head down. So you can't make this stuff up, man. As long as you just back trace, guys, you see support and resistance up, and then kind of like didn't even hit it again, but support and resistance down right here, didn't hit it again. And right there we just closed. We didn't win, but we didn't lose, so we just drew right there on that trade. And I still want to enter some more positions on the down position, just because I just feel confident that we're gonna go down, because we had a big green candle right here, and now it's time for the correction. Even though the chart probably wants to head up, we are trying to head up right here on the stochastic, but I feel like in the next couple of seconds, in the next minute, 40 seconds we're still gonna head down, because on the 10-second candles, the stochastic it's still trying to head down, guys. It's trying to peak down on the 20 stochastic, and on the 5 we're undersold. We're over down below this baseline, and pretty much that's what I like about this 5 stochastic, this 5 3 and 3, and this 23 and 3. The 5 will tell you what it's doing right now. It'll tell you if it's undersold or oversold, and then the 20 will just tell you if it's going to continue with that movement, or because we're at the top of this still, and as you can see, we need to reach the bottom. So we're actually about to win this trade 2-1, and boom, another draw, guys, another draw on this trade again. So let's see if we can still come out profitable. Nope. And then boom, big up candle right there, big up candle. And that right there, guys, is where your patience comes in as well. You want to just watch this chart, but actually right here, I want to play some down trades because I know that this candle has to correct. We're on a downtrend. It's no way possible that this candle can just be that big and boom, instant uptrend. No, the candle will correct, and then it'll start going with the uptrend if it wants to uptrend. So that is pretty much how it works, guys. You want to be patient. You want to follow your indicators and pretty much get a strategy and go with it, guys. So for some more indicators that we have, this blue line right here determines if it's a uptrend or a downtrend. It is called the 200 moving average, so it's pretty much just 200 EMA, and I turned it light blue so I could tell, obviously. And then we have this moving average right here at 3 SMA, and you can't really see it, but we have a red line and a green line in the middle, and pretty much once these lines cross, it's gonna if we're crossing down or if we're crossing up, that's telling me that we're in a downtrend or an uptrend. So as you can see, we just won those trades because, like I said, correction candle. But we have the 3 moving average, and then we have the 7 moving average. Also, guys, we have the fractal at fractal period 2, which is going to be these arrows right here telling us if we're going to go ahead and make a direction change in the up, or if you see this green arrow, we're going down. And then you see another arrow, should have been another arrow right here indicating we're going up, and it might be another arrow right here indicating that we're going down. And then we have the Bollinger Bands, and these are the settings for the Bollinger Bands. And pretty much, guys, once this candles hit the Bollinger Bands, you could expect for a down movement, or if it is out of the Bollinger Bands on the downside, you can expect for an upper movement, because this is the average of where the chart should be at, where price should be at, and price is going to jump in between these lines all the time. So you just got to read your indicators, but those are my indicators that I use for this strategy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to trade on a 1-minute expiration time and how to use pocket option. What else have I not explained? Obviously, this is your amount right here. You can change this to whatever amount you want to trade with. You have signals right here that kind of give you tips of what other people are doing, how other people are trading. And then over here, guys, is where you have your menu, where you withdraw your money. And you can also get 2 charts. You can get 2 charts, and on my second chart we have, this is the RSI right here. So I was confusing the RSI with the stochastic. I only do it during video, but yeah, guys, this is the RSI and this is the MACD. So a lot of traders like to use the MACD, and if you do want a video on the MACD strategy, go ahead and hit that comment, guys. Go ahead, drop down in the comments, be like, MACD, man, we need that, we need it. But yeah, this is very good, helpful indicators as well. But you can get 2 charts, you can get 3 charts, you can get 4 charts. And over here, guys, you can make things your favorite. So to make it your favorite, you just simply go here and press the star, and it'll add American Express to your favorites. And that's as simple as that, guys. You can use Heikin-Nachi candles as well. A lot of traders like to use Heikin-Nachi because it kind of takes the fear out of trading. As you can see, we have a clear downtrend, and then boom, uptrend. Now we on some more red. Now it might be a downtrend. So I'm just gonna go ahead, just for the sake of it, just because we're in red candles right now, just gonna go ahead and place a down trade because the Heikin-Nachi is telling me down. But if we go to the regular candles, you can see that, alright, I see some green, now I see some more red. But just in the last second, guys, we just closed that trade literally in the last second with 15 seconds. But yeah, that's how you trade, man. You just got to be risk free. Don't let the money get to your head. Don't think about it as losing money. And you can see your profits for the day right here. And that's how you use pocket option. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all actually like the video, and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel for more investing content on how to make this money the easy way. But with all that being said, man, my name is King Latta. This is Black Investors Group, and we out. Ooh.